Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. GHMC polls. Pawan goes against KCR. The upcoming Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation GHMC elections is crucial for the ruling TRS and opposition parties, Congress and BJP, to prove their strength. Pawan Kalyan has a great fan following in Telangana. Kapu voters and voters from Andhra settlers are key factors in Hyderabad. In addition to this, Pawan's political party, Janasena Party, has workers and leaders in Hyderabad. It is buzzed that Pawan is going to extend support to BJP in the GHMC election. While it is not clear whether Pawan would personally campaign for BJP in the GHMC poll or not, it is heard that Pawan would support the BJP. This will certainly not go well with CM KCR, Minister KTR, and other TRS leaders. CM Jagan writes to Amit Shah for Rs 1000 crore flood relief. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy sought an immediate flood relief on Rs 1000 crore to the state. In a letter to the Union Minister Amit Shah, Jagan said the torrential rains and floods caused a huge loss and urged him to send a central team to Andhra Pradesh to enumerate the loss. The rains and floods added more woes to the state, which is already financially burdened due to the COVID-19. The state needs the support and handholding of the centre to provide much needed relief to the rain affected people, Jagan said. 3,986 new corona cases in Andhra Pradesh. A record number of coronavirus tests are being conducted in Andhra Pradesh. In the past 24 hours, 74,945 samples were tested and 3,986 positive cases were reported. This brings the total number of cases to 7,83,132. The death toll rose to 6,429 as 23 new corona victims died. Mask Maharaja campaign to be launched ahead of festival season in Telangana. The Public Health and Family Welfare Department is set to launch a special campaign, Mask Maharaja, exhorting general public to continue adhering to COVID-19 guidelines during the ongoing festival season. The campaign Mask Maharaja aims to remind and encourage people about the importance of using masks, sanitizing hands frequently, maintaining public distancing, and avoiding mass gatherings at any cost. TTD Executive Officer inspects pilgrim services at Tirumala. Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's Executive Officer EO K.S. Jawar Reddy inspected various pilgrim congregation points at Tirumala on Sunday. Accompanied by TTD's additional EO A.V. Dharma Reddy, the new TTD EO first inspected the Annaprasam complex and inquired about the quality of food being served to the visiting devotees. He also interacted with a few devotees having food along with their families at the free food complex. Provide permanent solution for Andhra flood victims. Minister for Municipal Administration and Urban Development, Bocha Satyanarayana, has suggested the officials concerned to come up with a permanent solution to address the grievances of flood victims in the low-lying areas downstream Prakasam Barrage. The minister also suggested all the officials to speed up the enumeration process and provide housing facility for 2,500 families identified in the low-lying areas. During the course of the meeting, Bocha also reviewed the ongoing development projects taken up by the civic bodies. SBI official held in Rs 1.05 crore fake gold loan fraud in East Godavari. A cash in charge at the State Bank of India's branch at Samanasa under Amlapuram Rural Police Station in East Godavari district was arrested on Sunday for reportedly stealing gold from the bank to raise gold loan to the tune of Rs 1.05 crore against the same gold. The accused, identified as Bulusu Veera Venkata Satya Subramanya Sarma, 59, reportedly resorted to the fraud between February 2019 and September 2020. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.